I recently tested the Yeedi M12 Pro Plus, and after using it for a while, I can confidently say this robot vacuum has a lot going for it. In this video, I'll share my experience along with what other real users are saying, the good, the bad, and what really stood out after long-term use. So let's start with what one buyer had to say. One customer said they chose the Yeedi M12 Pro Plus after doing a lot of research. They loved its 70 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, the fully automatic cleaning system, and how it handled pet hair without tangling. They also mentioned it mapped their home really well, but wished customer support was a bit faster. I can totally relate to that. I tested the M12 Pro Plus myself, and that hot water mop feature really impressed me. It actually sanitizes the floors, not just wipes them. The anti-hair system works great. Even with pet hair, I didn't have to untangle the brush often. And yes, customer support could be quicker, but overall, this vacuum gives you a lot of high-end features at a reasonable price. Now, let's look at what another longtime robot vacuum user had to say after switching to the Yeedi M12 Pro Plus from the Roborock S6. This user mentioned that while they really liked the M12 Pro Plus for its automatic emptying and mopping features, they felt the mapping system wasn't as precise as their previous Roborock S6. The Yeedi sometimes goes in circles or struggles when furniture is moved, and the mop pad can come loose near rugs. But overall, they still think the convenience and new features are worth it. That's actually a fair point, the mapping isn't perfect. I noticed the same thing when testing mine. It sometimes hesitates in tighter spaces. But on the other hand, the self-emptying and mop cleaning station make up for it in daily use. For people who want less manual work and more automation, those features really shine. So while it's not flawless, it's still one of the easiest vacuums to live with day to day. All right, now this next experience really stood out to me. It's from someone who, just like me, did a ton of research before trusting another robot vacuum again. And honestly, I can relate to a lot of what they said. They said they'd never owned a high-end robot vacuum before, and after trying a cheaper one that failed, they decided to give the Yeedi M12 Pro Plus a chance, and it completely changed their mind. They loved how easy the app is to use, how well the vacuum detects carpets, and that it actually mops, not just drags a wet pad. The self-emptying and self-cleaning features worked flawlessly, and the hair tangle system was impressive even in a home full of long hair. They also praised how smart the machine is. It reports real problems, tracks maintenance hours, and even speaks when it needs attention. Overall, they called it life-changing.